Hey Rush fam, so this is where we're at today. So coming soon, Crispy Donuts, and already open is Popeyes. So we're right here at the intersection of Waterloo Road and Oak Road, where there's a new Popeyes location and a Crispy Donut. For months, persons were wondering what's coming here. So now we know. It's two fast food outlets. It's right next to Devon House. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching and thanks for clicking, guys. And I really appreciate the support. Let's do a quick walkthrough. I'll try set up the drone as well so we can get some aerial shots of the area. It's a new Popeyes Louisiana kitchen. And if anybody watching, if Popeyes is your favorite fast food chicken joint, let me know in the comments. Mine is KFC, and for most Jamaicans it's KFC, but let me know what's your favorite fast food joint for chicken. And if your favorite is not here in Jamaica, let me know what it is. If it's an international brand like a Chick-fil-A, let me know what it is. Alright, so as I mentioned, we'll do a quick walkthrough, take a look inside the Popeyes, and we'll try set up the drone. So that's basically what we're doing today. So now open right here on Waterloo Road. So we have Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. They're not yet open, but that guy over there is open, and that's Popeyes. I've never had Krispy Kreme donuts before, but if any of you guys have ever tried it, let me know what you think. Let me know if it's one of the favorites on your list. I guess when they're open here, I'll come by and try one of these donuts. So I did a video on this construction about maybe over a year ago when they just started. It's right next to Devon House, right at the Waterloo and Oak Road intersection. A very major thoroughfare. And then we have Devon House over this side. So it's right opposite Devon House. So I have an older video on it, so I'll put the link for that older video in the comments so you guys can see where this property is coming from. You know, for years this was a empty lot. Usually it was only used like in carnival. They would set it up with a stage, have parties over here, but other than that it was mainly unused. So it's really good to see something permanent happening over here. So Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. So I think they want to have 5 locations in Kingston and then eventually spread their wings island wide. And as I mentioned, the Popeyes is open. So I'm gonna take a quick walk through the inside of the Popeyes. Typical setup, but because this is Rush from Moore, the Discover Boss, I'm gonna give you guys the inside. That's Abbey Court over there. Very popular and expensive apartment. Much older than these newer one, but still old in its price. Then we have the very popular Devon House, one of Kingston major places to visit. And if you have never had Devon House ice cream before, it's one of the favorites in Jamaica. So if you are visiting, if you have never had it, it's something to try. Alright, so that's the menu board. Just showing you guys a quick glimpse of the prices and offerings. 2-piece chicken meals both at KFC and Popeyes have really gone up in price over the years. So that's Popeyes and Krispy Doughnuts in location right here in Kingston. So this is from the other side. Alright guys, so I'm gonna send up the drone now so we can get some aerial shots. So stay tuned for some drone shots. So I'm sending up the drone now.